First, we need to check cluster is working or not. Windows PR, CMD, GPL, create the nodes. Yeah, that is working fine. We are going to open documentation, Windows key. We try. These are the latest downloads. We are having master class me. We are in which folder? I think Helm dev printf function. I explain what I said, try to implement. If you want it, I can show you the output also, or else you try it. Next, Helm dev call template in
हेलो।
template. Ask me. Hello.
सर न्यू बैच वाला लिंक ही देना।
No, 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 no. I think no one is confirmed for this batch. That's why I extended 1 week.
ओके
Next.
ओके।
Okay. Because of maybe I hope your brother also there, right?
या my brother confirmed that he will join.
Actually, Markonda sir told to them, maybe you connected or not, maybe yesterday. Try to confirm, then only we can start new batch. Anyway, no problem. Maybe take 2 to 3 days gap. Once confirmation got, we will start. Okay. I think I didn't
ओके
get any new confirmation. You are old student. Okay, no problem. I may continue. But new, at least minimum 2 to 3 members are there. We'll start new batch. Because of once we started, again 2 months will go, right? 2 to 2.5 months. Why should we
या सर।
go for existing students? You are there. You may continue maybe after 10 days also. Okay.
ओके
Good. Already you know little bit about me. Maybe my recordings also helpful for you. But if it is very new person, my recording may not help because of he don't know what it is, how it is, what to do, how to install. Got it? For that, there I took 2 days gap. Maybe we may start on Monday. Once you got confirmation from others also. Maybe
ओके
now
सर।
just now you informed me. In the same way, one or two will contact today or tomorrow. Based on that, we'll continue. I will inform to you. Okay?
ओके ओके
Okay.
सर,
Okay.
थैंक यू।
Thank you. Okay, good to go. What I said, there this special thing is, what is the special thing here is the template within the template. I hope 20. Yes. What does it mean? See, first I'm going to give little clarity. Little clarity. Windows key or edit plus. What does it mean of template in template? See, whatever the example I want to give, where I am going, maybe Java I am taking. Why Java I am taking? That much of easy, that much of simple to work with those things. I am taking very new, there Java. Assume very carefully. Template in template means, try to understand here. I am writing package. The name of the package is maybe test. I am testing. In the test package, I am writing some code. What is the code name in the sense? According to Java, I need to use public keyword. But here we won't use, but try to understand concept. I am giving little clarity. Public class, there, public. Maybe I may leave static, void. Just I am giving maybe add to additional pro numbers. There just x int x int y. There I am going to return something. There I am going to return something. Just I am going to return some return x plus y. Logic is very simple. I am taking two arguments. I am passing two arguments. There I am adding, there I am returning. You may ask me, how can you return? The return type must be. What is the input type? Anyone can just observe and tell me. What is the input type here? What is the input type? Integer. Output is also integer. Are you understanding or not? My input type is integer. See, two got married, maybe after 1 or 2 years, they got one or two children. That children also which type? Human type. In the same way, this is integer, this is integer. My result is also integer. Sometimes observe, my result may be float, valid. My result may be double, valid. My result may be char. Even sometimes it is also valid, but this is not the right procedure. But which type I am taking? Int type. Which type I am returning? Again int type. Package is test. This is nothing but I am considering as a template. Why I am considering template? I can't run this code. I can't run this code. I can compile it. I can compile it. You may ask me, where will you compile? I'm saving, observe carefully. Alt FA, Alt FA, where I am saving in my E drive or in my D drive. D drive got selected. What is the name? Anyone can guess? Till now I didn't use any name. Till now I didn't use any name. See, I am taking package test. See, I am telling test pack. I am giving the name like that. I am testing pack. I am testing pack. There Alt FA. My class name is test pack. Where I am saving? In my D drive. In my D drive. Save it. Nothing is there. Where you will compile, this is important thing. First, Windows key or CMD, go to D drive, Java C, hyphen D dot test pack dot Java. This is the nature. See, you are not learning programming. Again and again I'm telling you are no need to learn, but try to understand what happening, how it is going. That thing you need to know. If you really know programming, that is very useful for you. Your package is also will increase. Maybe your years are going on, automatically you have the confidence, automatically you can interact with manager or some other persons. I know this one, I know that one. They may also accept your proposals, maybe whatever you say something. Now, in the same way, what I did here, my package got created. This is just like a template. You may ask me, okay, template got created. How can you use the template? How can you use the template? See, compile, right? Yes. Now, see this total code I am removing or I am taking new one. New. That is over. The template I am using in this. How can I use this? Import, import. There I use include. Are you understanding or not? Import. There I using import. What is the name of the package? Anyone tell me? What is the name I used here? Test. Dot. What is the class name I used? I think test pack. That's all. Now what to do? Here is it is test demo. Test demo. How to use that one? That is important thing. How to use that one? Directly, if I want to use, I can use it. How can I use? See, test fact dot. What is the function name? What is the method name I used? I think add to, right? Or agree with me? Add to 10 comma 20. If I am not wrong, it may work for us. There, what is the name I want to save? Test demo. Alt FA test demo. Test demo. That is that name may be there. Control 1. Next control 2. I got the output or not? 10 plus 20, 30. See, something I written somewhere else. What is the advantage here? I may use this code, I may use this one, you may use that one. In industry, how they will implement Windows key or MS Paint, that thing you need to know. I created one template. I created one package according to Java. According to Helm, I created one template. This template I'm using here. I'm using here. I'm using here. How I'm using like this, it may come here also. It may come here also. It may come here also. See, this functionality name is assume college name. This functionality name is college name. College, college name. This functionality name is maybe name is Lakshmi. Name is Pati. Name is Ravana. See, Lakshmi college is maybe college name SVU. Is it fixed or not? Lakshmi College is SVU, Pati College is SVU, Ramana College is SVU. Again and again, I am no need to write here. If I am writing means here SVU, three letters. Again here SVU, three letters. Again here SVU, three letters. This is the reusable component. How many characters it occupies? How many bytes in general scenario? 3 bytes. 3 bytes I may call any number of times. Any number of times. That is the specialty, that is the advantage. In the same way, they may create template within a template. Template within a template. In this way, they can develop. In this way, they can develop. Now you may see, you can easily understand. Where is that? Now this one only. See, Helm named templates, call template in template. See, here we will update the template, the Helm basics dot labels with the template in template as additional labels by calling the name of template Helm basics dot resource name. What they are telling here, observe their Helm basics dot labels. We are defining something. There again app dot kubernetes dot io Helm. This is very common code. Chart dot name very common code. Here see template in template. There again what they are doing. Here what they are doing. They are defining. They are defining what they are doing here. Include. I hope yesterday I explained what is the difference between define and include. Quick response. What is the difference between define and include? Defining means creating a new template. Defining means creating a new template. Include means for using existing template. See, somewhere existing template is there. What is the name of the template name? Helm basics dot resource name. Check it somewhere. Helm basics dot resource name. If you go and observe our chart, within the chart that code is there. Within the chart that code is there. I'll show you quickly. Are understanding or not? Actually, this code where we are defining quick response, this code where we are defining within dot TPL, right? Within the dot TPL. What is the TPL? The name itself, helpers dot TPL. Helpers dot TPL. No, just one step back or else, where is that one? Here. Now just Helm basics 24. Good. Now CM. Now CM. Now tree slash here. First I am going to open helpers.tp. Notepad, notepad underscore helpers. Any spelling mistake? No, right? That is in templates. Are you agree with me? CD template. There CD templates within that notepad, notepad underscore helpers.tpl. Now see what I am trying to explain. See, we are defining new thing. We are very happy. Here we are defining. Okay, they what we are defining? Helm basics dot resource name. Helm basics. This is one template. This template where I am using, anyone can observe and tell me. Same template, Helm basics dot resource name. Am I using or not? Helm basics dot resource name. What I am doing here? This template I am using here. That's why template inside a template. Template. Even I may show you one more little example. Maybe people might Java program may understood or not. Excel everybody know, right? Excel everybody know. See, similar activity already I did multiple times. Maybe today you may understood or not. You may try to understand. See, I'm going to apply their fact of is equal to fact of 5. The output is 120. I'm using is equal to fact of minus 5. Minus 5. I may get an error. What is the error? Anyone can read that error message? Anyone can read that error message? You may ask question. How can I?
कैश numbers में
See, the meaning is maybe Kiran Garu. Not, this is not right. Or agree with me? My cursor where it is moving, maybe this is
yes sir.
not a number. This is the actual,
Not in
not a number. But as a common man, as a general person, hash num exclamation, you may read like that. Got it or not? If you don't know the
sir.
real meaning, you may read like that only. I know little bit, not a number. Not only you. Maybe there are professionals, they are not reading properly because of they don't know how to read that message. Anyway, finally, what it is saying, it is not a number. Maybe you may ask me, fact of minus 5, really is it number or not? Actually, it is a number, right? But here observe ABS of minus 5. You know the meaning of ABS? Anyone can tell me? ABS stands for, I hope one or two may know. Absolute. What is the meaning? Absolute. Generally, tell me the meaning of absolute meaning. Maybe you may take dictionary meaning, no problem. You may take maybe generic meaning, no problem. Or you may take maybe Excel meaning, no problem. The function ABS, absolute. See, absolute will return positive integer. Absolute will return what? Positive integer. What is the actual value here I passed for this? Quick response. What is the value? Positive value, negative value?
Minus 5.
Whatever you pass, what I said, it returns which value? Positive value. What it will do? It can add one more minus. Minus into minus
Plus.
plus. The final result is plus 5. Fact of plus 5 means again you may get. Is it understandable or not? Template within a template. What I used? Function within a function. Function within a function. A function within a function. Is it clear for you? Same way, what we did here, what we did here. See, this is nothing but very simple. Within helpers.tpl, if you want to define any template, you must use which keyword? At least define keyword. Once you define, if you want to utilize that definition, what to do at least? That's what I told. At least everybody should know how to define, how to include. How to define, how to include. Is it clear for you? Remaining nothing. Slowly in this way we are learning. If you mug up this code, no use. Maybe tomorrow this code you never see. But this format you may see. Are you agree with me, yes or no? This format is important. Today they written Helm basics dot resource name. Tomorrow maybe some other company name, IBM dot something they may written, or some HCL dot something. Maybe their company name dot something something they may written, or project name, or maybe group name. Actually, in future, in maybe Git also, I may tell you Git administration. There you may know that those meanings. Maybe nowadays, Git administration is very, very important. Maybe within 2 to 3 days, again we may start our continuation. There we may see the real purpose of all those things. That's what I am telling. Yeah, whether sometimes you may understood or not, you may try to digest the words. Here, what I am telling simply, within the if you want to define what you want to define template. Templates will be defining with the help of define keyword. Templates are useful. Templates are including with the help of include keyword. Include keyword. Good. Now I am trying to run the application. You know how to run it. You know how to. That is very simple. Already now help. I need to go one step back, right? cd dot dot. See, something is there in the chart.yml or not? We need to check. Notepad, notepad, not chart, right? Values. We need to check. Nothing is there. We are not using values. Now cd helm. What is that? Helm template, template, template. See, that template is different. This template is different. Here, template means, and now I am asking to direct question. Helm template will provide what? Simple question. Helm template command will return dash. There I am writing. Maybe if anyone knows, try to tell. This is the interview question. Helm Helm template will return dash. Will return dash. Very simple answer. Just maybe one word answer or two words. If you say one word also, I feel very happy. Can I give the clue? It will start with the M. It will start with the M. Even I am giving one more letter also. Hello.
Maybe method manifest.
Manifest files. Manifest files. See, already in Kubernetes, K8s, there we created pod, there we created RS, there we created RC, there we created deployment, got it or not? There we created ingress, yes or no? There daemon set, these are all which files? These are all which files? Manifest files. This man. Our Helm also. I said right. Helm simplifies. See here we are doing something, but Helm simplifies the application deployment. Application deployment it can simplifies. How it is simplifying? You may see quickly. The release name is some release dot. See there we use it right here. Template in template, their app colon nginx, maybe chart name we got like this. Template in template data is their REL release, that they release hyphen help base. Release hyphen help base. Why you are getting release hyphen C? What is my release name? I use a release name is REL, right? My release name itself REL. That's why I got here REL hyphen Helm basics. See, within my template in template, this here I used one percent ls. Are you agree with me? Hyphen, I used one more percent ls. See, check it. You may feel better. See, check it here. Release dot name. What is release dot name? Anyone tell me? What is our release name? REL only, right? REL only. What is my chart name? Whatever we took, that chart name. Is there any difficulty? It will show one word. It will show one more word. At middle, what it was there? At middle, what it was there? Hyphen. Same hyphen am I getting or not? Same hyphen am I getting or not? Is it clear for you? Is there any difficulty? But without practicing, without implementing, it won't work out. Maybe if your manager or your colleague will say something, go and modify something, you may ask once again, where do I modify it? What do I modify it? They may what is that? They may not accept sometimes. They may not tell also. Even in my brother project, one person is there. My brother may ask question one, question two, question three. At third question, he will stop. Ramana, are you taking salary? Yes or no? If you are taking salary, go and do that work. Don't ask again and again. Our map is there. Go and search it. Try to do that one. Some people may tell like that. Why they are telling like that? You don't know what to do. That's why each and everything he is asking me. How can I tell? Day one I tell, day two I tell, day three also I may not tell sometimes. Same thing happen here also. They are giving documentation. See, base here documentation. Here this is the documentation. They given here itself. Even in real time also similar activity is there. I can't tell same. Similar is different. Same is different. You know that one. See there. See, this one is their folder. This folder is there. This document is there. We are learning from this document. See, this backup file, only one file is there. With one file, Helm will work, may not work. Helm requires one structure, right? This structure is there. At least if you know this basics, you can easily work. Or else you never work. Maybe you may enter into this project. Maybe see, you may enter into like this assume. CM. I even here itself I am enter. Here I may go for Helm, maybe template, maybe ABC. Thought, see what it is happening. Chart.yml file is missing. If you don't know the real Helm meaning and purpose, you may stick on here. You may try to ask your maybe colleagues. Hey, my system is giving chart.yml. What was wrong? What they will tell? First, you go to tree/f. You check it. Structure was there or not? Is there any structure? Anyone tell me? Is there any structure? No, right? What is the
No,
structure?
sir.
Minimum. What is
Min-
minimum? Chart.yml must be there. Values.yml is there. And templates folder is there. Is there any templates folder? That's why before entering into actual work, you must know little bit about the fundamental rules. Maybe we can say simply basics. Basic knowledge if you are having, easily we can work. Maybe 1 or 2 months we may take support, or else also maybe our colleagues properly they may know, they may guide you. Sometimes even they may not know. They are asking you, you are asking me. Maybe days will go on, work will not complete. What they will do? They will terminate both people. They will terminate both people. That too also happening some companies. That's why you may know ourselves, we must know little bit. Anyway, I hope this concept is clear, right? There were defining, defining template. If you want to consume it, what to do? You must include, right? You must include. Maybe from yesterday, today, we learned only two words. One is the define word, another one is the include word. Define and include. Now we are going to one more concept. They are one step back, again one step. Now 25th one. See Helm create and package chart. This is also very simple. Already you know Helm create, right? Yes or no? Helm create. Helm create represents what? Creating a new chart with creating a new chart with full-fledged format. Even see, once again I am showing. Once again I am showing. There I am going to maybe CD backslash yes now CD or else here itself help create. Good. Maybe Kiran I am giving. My chart name is Kiran. Good chart got created. We are very happy. CD Kiran. Good. Tree slash. I am asking to you. I want in this chart only deployment, only service. Remaining things I don't want. Now what to do? Quick guidance. Is there any requirement of test folder? No need. What to do? I will delete, right? Because of unnecessary stuff. This I am doing POC kind of thing. Proof of concept. I want to learn. I want to implement Helm chart. This is the unnecessary step. First, we'll try to remove unnecessary step. Quick response. Can I this we won't delete. Helm ignore is that is just like git ignore. Just like git ignore, it is required. Chart.yml is required. Values.yml is required. Which I don't want. HP I don't want. Ingress I don't want. Can you tell me notes.txt? Shall I remove? No. Service.yml require. Service account I don't want. I need helpers.tpl. If you don't want, we can remove it, no problem. But leave it as it is. Leave it as it is. Test folder I don't want. Test folder I don't. What to do? CD. Guide me. CD. What to do? Template, right? Template. Now tree slash quick guidance. Quick guidance. I want to remove something within the template. Tree or tree slash f. Tree slash f. Am I getting anything? There simply may go for dir. Very easily recognized. Which I don't want HPA, right? What to do? Del HPA. Yes, I deleted. In the same way, what I don't want? Del service account. Service account. Yes, I deleted. Next, check it. dir. Which you don't want? Tell me. Ingress also I don't want. Del in ingress. Next, again dir. Which you don't want. Test folder you don't want. Anyone tell me how can I delete test folder? Generally, you can go to Windows key. There you right click on the folder. You can delete it. Within the command prompt, you want to delete. This is the Windows environment. This is not the Linux. Linux is very easy. How can you say Linux is very easy? RM hyphen RF. What is the name? TSTS. Are you agree with me, Kiran? Quick response. Is it clear for you? This is the which command this is? Linux command.
Remove command.
Remove, it will remove. 100% it will remove in Linux. But this is the Windows based. It won't work. See, who is RM? Is not an recognized as an internal command or external command, operable program or batch file. Is it clear for you? How to delete ma? Anyone? Now what to do? The before deleting RD. RD means remove directory. RD means RD remove directory. What does it mean? See, RMDIR. Is there in Linux also? Are you agree with me at least? RMDIR remove directory. Maybe I am giving as it is. Now what to do? Which directory you want to remove? Quick response.
Test.
Test.
Test. T.
See, if I press enter, what it will say? It is trying to delete. It is giving some information. What it is giving? Hey, the directory is not empty. You know, right? This directory having something. If it is something, I am not deleting. What to do? I am not doing. Slash yes slash q slash yes. Yes means anything it is there that may be subfolder. That may be subfolder. Okay. What is q? Without asking me. Q means quiet mode. Generally, you may tell keep quiet. Keep quiet like that without asking me. Terminate. Now check it. dir. Is there such folder? Quick observation. Is there any such folder? No, right? Yes or no?
No, sir. Remove.
No. Okay. This finally we'll try to install. Sometimes it may work, sometimes it may not work. We'll check it. We'll try to install. How can I install? This is your own chart, right? This is your own chart. CD dot dot. Now what to do? CLS Helm. Because of we modified little. Modified means something you deleted. If you delete chart.yml, chart will not work itself. Helm install install maybe something xyz dot because of I am in current chart this dot represents current means within something is there try to install it. Is it installed or not? Any message getting? No, everything is fine. Now kubectl get PO. What happening? kubectl get view the resource found default namespace. Okay, I use the default namespace only, right? Echo visit to use your application. What happening? kubectl hyphen namespace default port forward. Everything is fine, right? Maybe Helm ls. Helm ls. Yes, XYZ got deployed or not? Where it got deployed? Default only, right? kubectl get SVC, anything going wrong? XYZ got created. Oh, pod at the time not created. You now it is. Oh, what happening? Spelling is correct only, right?
It's correct, sir. kubectl get PO.
PO correct only. Why it is not showing anything? Now anyone guide me? I want to see the release name in that resources. In that resources already command is there, right? What is the command? Help
Sir, give get NS, sir.
get ns. Default ns is there, right? You are asking kubectl get ns, right? Without ns, already see xyz something is got created in default namespace. Now kubectl get ns, the default is there or not? I didn't specify any namespace, right? This is the default is there, inactive is there, but more namespaces are there. Shivashankar, guide me. You are telling going to enter into namespaces. Anything you are expecting? There. Notepad values dot yml. There nginx is there, no problem. Nginx already there. Maybe their port problem may be there. We may check it. There I may go for first kubectl delete all hyphen all. Only these resources only there. You may go for ls. I may delete help, uninstall r1 and xyz. cls. Now I'll try to install. Same thing. It is deployed. Test status none. Test is deleted, right? Even I didn't use test status. I am asking to you any missing is that kubectl get pods. No resource found in default namespace. But what it got created? kubectl get svc. xyz kern cluster IP got created. This is okay. At least we may check. Get endpoints. Endpoints may not create XYZ species end because of pod not created properly. Pod not created properly. What was wrong? What was wrong? What I need to do in the sense re slash f. I want to execute this. I want to execute this. Even I may delete. Even cd templates. Now del underscore helper also I am deleting. Good deleted. Notes.txt, notepad, I mean templates only, right? Notepad, notes.txt. Any missing? Notepad, spelling correct only, right? Spelling mistake. Notepad, there I may delete everything. Save it. And once again, ls, there cd dot Good. Then we go for a Helm, ls, there, Helm uninstall XYZ. Now again I am going to install it. Error calling include template. Okay, no template. Okay, current full name. This is okay. Associated with the template. Installation failed because we removed, right, everything because we removed in that. Okay, this is okay, no. In installation failed template current template service.yml service.yml. Okay, now we'll try to modify little things it may work for us. Now what to do? Cd template. There within that, first we need to open notepad first deployment.yml. Is there any unnecessary stuff? Because of there we removed something, right? API version, this is good with pod annotation to YML. Is there any unnecessary stuff is there? Try to remove that. Here nothing is there. Here nothing is there. Okay, good. Now notepad service dot. See here it may be there unnecessary. Here also there or not. What it is telling? Include current dot selector labels and indent a version include. Yes, here check it. Such content is there or not? No, right? Please observe here. Include related content is there or not? No. Include related content is not there. Here, you try to remove this. Because of that's why it is not working. That's why it is not working. What I need to give? There I may give maybe chart name. There dot chart dot name. Now labels. Labels also I want to give like this. Labels dot chart dot name and indent 4 values dot service dot type values dot service dot 4. Here also include is the selector name. Here also we took same thing. So try to remove these things. You must know these things. You must know. Now try to remove this one. There dot chart dot name. Don't use this dot. Now I think I am given proper way. I need to check. Close this, save this, and try to use this. There Helm install. In place of install, I may go for upgrade now. Why? Already. I think it didn't work, right? Helm install xyz dot. Which file is missing? Installation failed chart.yml. Now, one step back, I need to go, right? One step back. Up arrow, up arrow. Again, it is giving error. Installation failed. Template. Kiran. Template. Deployment.yml. Fourth line, 11th column. Fourth line, 11th column. Now, CD templates. Notepad. Deployment.yml. See, fourth line. Here also one include is there. Here also one include is there. Try to remove this. Remove this. Dot chart dot name. Here also include is there. Copy this. Copy this stuff. Control C. Control There one space. Any other area include? There selector labels. Control. Now one step, one space. Wherever include is there, their service account name. See, even service account is not there in my case. Service account is not there. This line is not required. This line is not required. I deleted. Security context. This is also not required. This is also not required. See, up to where I require, you may consider that. Security context. Containers require. Security context is not required. I deleted. Manually, if you want to do all these things, you need to check containers name, security context not required. That's why I'm deleting. Their image is required. Image full policy is required. Image full policy is required. Now, this is okay. Any other? See node selector. If it is there, leave it. This resources, even resources.yml file, I think I didn't write anything. We'll check it.yml file. Even I am not taking resources also. I don't want. Good. Dot values dot node selector. This is not require affinity, not require. All this stuff is not required. See somewhere if we started, check it somewhere if we started or not. Where is the if condition or something? End here. Where is open with curly brace? Is there any? I hope I am deleting. We'll check it. If any missing is there, it will tell us. Okay, good. Try to save this. Now try to deploy. One step back. CD dot. Now Helm install. Again, what it is telling in deployed.yml, there somewhere. Again, is there somewhere? Include Kiran
Sir,
dot.
starting name,
Which name?
full name. Kiran dot full name is there, sir. Template
That's what
starting.
starting is there. We'll check it.
Yes, sir. Same reply mentioned.
CD template. There notepad deployment advanced. I think very beginning, right? This one. I hope I didn't change. Copy, Control C. Actually, where this stuff is there, where it is available, you know what I removed. Underscore helpers.tpl, right? Why I'm telling all these things. Something somewhere missing that will reflect on somewhere else. That is the technical word is cascading effect. Our intention is even though cascading effect happen, how to resolve it. That I am giving in front of you. How to resolve. Control V. What happened? Deleting this. Now dot chart dot name. Now control S. Try to save this. CD dot dot. Now CLS. Up arrow. Again somewhere something goes wrong. Invoke as function. But where is that? I hope am I given dot chart dot name correct only, right? Name has argument but cannot be invoked as function. In which line? 13th line, 15th character. 13th line. CD template, notepad, deployment. 13th line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13th line. 13th line. This dot is not needed. Anywhere dot is there, quick response. Here also dot is there. If anywhere did I place dot, try to remove it. If unfortunately If I place a dot is not required. Control S. Now close this. One step back. CD dot dot. Again something unable to build Kubernetes objects from release manifest, unable to decode JSON, unmarshal string into go struct field object metadata labels to type map strings. Okay, there I go for node 3 slash f. There's notepad values.yml, values.yml. There try to remove this. Service account not required. Pod annotations not required. Pod security context is not required. And security context is not required. Service is required. Ingress is not required. Ingress is not required. This all stuff is not required. Delete it. Even resources not required. Already it is commented, right? My mouse not working. Okay, auto scaling is not required. No such. What I require only service is required. Even this is not required. Image full secret, name override, full name override, anything. This is required. We'll check it. And one more thing. Save it. And we'll try to enter into notes.txt. There, cd templates, there notes.txt, notepad, notes.txt. There I'm going to use dot, just that's all. Now close this, save this. Simply one step back, next CLS, up arrow, there Helm install. Even it is telling deployment 8th line 20. 8th line 20. Null pointer evaluation interface dot enabled. Null pointer line 8 20th column. CD template there notepad deployment. What is the line 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one is not required. This one is not required. In the same way, this is also not required. Do you have replica account there? Replica account. Is there any other thing? Metadata, metadata annotations with dot values dot pod annotations dot values. Okay, that may get it automatically, no problem. Okay, anyway, remove that. What it may provide, we'll check it. Based on the error, we need to reflect. Now cd dot dot. What is that? Up arrow, up arrow, up arrow. What is the line number? Unable to decode. Which is unable to decode? Installation failed, unable to build Kubernetes objects from, okay, release manifest. Release manifest. What I am going to at least Helm template will try. Helm template. Helm template. See, template is providing. Template is providing. Any missing here in this template? Check it. If it is missing, we'll try to react based on that. Metadata name Kiran, labels Kiran, match labels, selector match labels, Here actually we need to get, in this way you need to get it. Labels. What is that? Here is key value pair. But what I got it here, please observe. Only I am getting, where is the key? I think did I delete anything here? Key value pair I need to get metadata name labels. Label name is Kiran. Maybe app colon Kiran, right? We need to get it in. App colon Kiran. Here also metadata labels app colon Kiran. App colon Kiran. Maybe that is the reason it may give something. Are you understanding or not? Something if you modify somewhere, again same thing we need to modify. We are unable to build Kubernetes objects from release. Okay. Unmarshal string into go struct build. Their type maps string. See, that's why object dot metadata dot labels. Yeah, what I expected, same thing here is there. I may do change once again. You know how to do changes. CD templates. There I deleted manually. CD templates. Now notepad deployment at all. What I missed here? Labels, 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 app call, labels, app colon. This is not needed. Good. Now labels app colon correct only. In the same way, somewhere template, this is okay. Annotations okay. Again labels. Here is also labels followed by app colon. There this is okay. Now this is not okay. Now any other missing? Containers okay. Container name. Image okay. Now I am correct. Now just go for once again Helm install. First cd dot dot cls up arrow Helm template. In place of template, I want to go for install. Again, what it is saying, unable to build Kubernetes object from release manifest, unable to decode double quotation, JSON cannot unmarshal string. Again, labels only, right? Labels. First, I need to get template, then we can understand where it is missing. Template, PMPA. There, template, okay. Here, match labels missing. See the selector match labels. There I need to specify. Here is correct only. Labels app colon correct only. Here containers name correct only. I need to specify here. Selector match labels. Here something missed. PD templates, notepad, deployments. I think app. Here I need to specify app colon. Now it will work. What I don't want, this I don't want. Good. Close this, save this. Try to check once again. Helm means directly I may go for Helm install again. VLS para Helm install. Again, what it is saying, installation failed, unable to build Kubernetes objects from release manifest, unable to decode, cannot unmarshal string into, okay. Again, somewhere labels it is showing, I may check. Now, Helm template. Now, see, selector okay, match labels okay, app colon Kiran. Labels okay, app colon Kiran. Both are matching. Now where it is missing, container name good, image is okay, container port is also okay. Container port is also okay. Here, see, what is the selector here? See, observe here. Within the selector also some problem is there. What is the problem here? Here again app colon Karen is required. App colon Karen. Now I need to modify CD templates. Now notepad. Notepad. What is that? Service, right? Service dot. There you need to check labels app colon. This indentation is the problem. Any other selector, 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 app colon. Again, this indentation is the problem. Good. I hope I'm not wrong. 99% will accept. CLS, CD dot dot, there up arrow. Directly I may go for installation. See, is it finally got installed or not? Hello, now we'll check kubectl, kubectl get PO. Now see, is it working or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. See, this much of what about patience we need. If something somewhere going wrong, again we need to verify, cross verification. Don't panic. Slowly check one by one. See that even there also it is showing string problem, string problem. String means maybe labels problem, labels problem. That's why programming syntaxes, if you know very well, Helm, see, Helm developer one post is there, Kubernetes developer one post is there, Kubernetes administrator one post is there, Kubernetes security one post is there. Okay, like that, n number of categories are there, but we don't know which category we may do the job. We try to learn all the categories. Maybe we may fit on any one area. Okay, even kubectl, get SVC. Check it, SVC also there. There it may go for Karen with the cluster IP. You want to see the output, right? If you want to see the output, you may do little change. Karen, tell me what is the change here you need to do? There first we go for kubectl, edit, SVC, KIRAN. Karen. There we will do the change. What is the change? Your cluster IP is there. Generally we go for load balancer. Load BALANCE. Yeah, that's all. Now check it what happened. Same up arrow, get SVC. Now check it. Is it localhost getting or not? Our duty is very simple. Simply go there, take the browser, localhost. That's our only localhost. Is it very simple? But I don't want to take this much of modifications, but sometimes it is required. If you want to reduce the code, you need to remove everything, right? If you remove somewhere, that will reflect. That's why we are going to little modification. This is the Helm chart creation, Helm chart modification. What they given one more command, quickly we may go and complete that one. Where is the document? I hope this one. No, no. So I have shown folder name only, I think. One step back. See, package. Simply I may go for package. What happened? Helm package, Helm package, Helm package. What is the release name? Maybe I think you know release name already there. Helm LS, right? Release name is XYZ. See Helm package, if I am not wrong, we may give XYZ release name. Error, right? Create file XYZ. The system cannot find the File specified. Okay, no problem. Dot you need to give. May check it. What was the problem? Syntax I am not following standard syntax. Helm package name or generally chart name. Helm package maybe 123. 123. Helm package. Actually we need to give chart name. Create file 123. The system cannot find the file specified. File already existing. Check. We may check. Or else what to do? cd dot. I may go for a helm package. Maybe 123. There KIRA Kiran or opposite. Okay, first Kiran. Then we go for. Let me try like this. See, successfully, what happened? Helm package, what I am doing? This is the chart name. This is the chart name. What happens here? This chart is zipping. That's all. Nothing will happen. Chart is zipped or not, observe here. In my Ramana project, every day they may do this activity. For this, they may do many problems they may face simply. You may ask me, can I install from this package? Yes, sir. Helm install maybe 121212. See, you don't give dot here. You need to specify this path. This path. Copy this and paste this. Now see what it is telling is exist and cannot be import. Oh, what happened? Must equal. Oh, already XYZ was there, right? What I need to do? Help uninstall XYZ. Their ports, everything is matching. That's why that is facing difficulty. Now I'll try to install. Now it will work. See, it is installed or not? We want to see the output. Yes, we can see. Helm kubectl get svc. There we need to convert it into, you see, Kiran. Again, you need to convert it into load balancer, right? Once you convert into load balancer, we may see the output. Here, very simple thing. What is the use of package? Converting into which file? TGZ. TGZ. This is the just package. This is the just package. Zipping our chart is nothing but Helm package. Zipping our chart is nothing but Helm package. Okay. Thank you. Remaining things we'll see evening. Thank you. If any doubt is there, ask me, or else we are winding the session.